What if I told you there's one pull-up move, not a workout, not a routine, that you can do once a day and it can make your pull-ups feel lighter, cleaner, and stronger in just 14 days? No pump, no sweat, no burnout. Sounds fake, right? I thought so too, until I tried it. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact move, how to do it without wrecking your elbows, and why it works even if you're stuck at the same pull-up number for months. And I'll give you a simple 7-day starter plan so you can test it yourself, starting tonight. Step-by-step content. Let's get one thing clear first. This is not about doing more pull-ups. If more reps worked, you'd already be better. The move is called the dead hang, but done correctly. Most guys hang like they're trying to survive a zombie apocalypse. That's not what this is. Why your pull-ups feel heavy. All day, your body is compressed. Sitting, slouching, phone neck, desk shoulders. Your spine gets squashed, your shoulders creep forward, then you jump on a bar and wonder why everything feels tight and weak. Strength can't express itself if your joints are locked up. What the dead hang actually does. A proper dead hang does 3 things: decompresses your spine, resets shoulder position, calms your nervous system. That's why it works even without reps. How to do it the right way. Grab a pull-up bar, doorway bar, or rings. Jump up and hang, but here's the key. Arms straight, shoulders relaxed, not shrugged. Chest neutral. No swinging, no pulling. Just let gravity do the work. Breathe slowly through your nose. You should feel tension melting, not building. Start with 20 to 30 seconds. That's it. If your grip is weak, let your toes lightly touch the floor. This isn't an ego test. What happened over 14 days? By day 3, my shoulders felt looser, not stronger, just free. By day 7, my pull-ups felt smoother, less grind at the bottom. By day 14, something weird happened. I wasn't thinking about my shoulders anymore. They just worked. Same body weight, same bar, different feeling. That's the power of restoring position before adding force. Common mistakes. Let's save you some pain. Mistake number 1, turning it into a workout. If you're sweating, swinging, or flexing, you missed the point. Mistake number 2, shrugging your shoulders. If your traps are screaming, relax. Think long neck, not strong neck. Mistake number 3, hanging too long. More time doesn't equal more benefit. Quality beats suffering. 7-day action plan. Here's how to start this week. Days 1 to 2, 1 hang, 20 to 30 seconds, before bed or after training. Days 3 to 4, 2 hangs, same relaxed form, 30 seconds max. Days 5 to 7, an optional 3rd hang, only if it feels good. Stop before fatigue. That's it. No warm-up, no cool-down, no excuses. If you're trying this tonight, comment hang so I know you're in. And if you want the one stretch that instantly improves your pull-ups, that video is coming next. Make sure you're subscribed. Remember, you don't always need more strength. Sometimes you just need to get out of your own way. Paused. Say stage 3 when you want the scene breakdown.